just look at the car that I found right here. Like, it shocked me to just look at this car, because this is literally the Vitz that I drive, and it's kind of new. It's a BH. And apparently the engine is kind of packed. And then there's this one over here. Oh, okay. I like the exhaust on this thing. It looks very big. I wonder how it sounds. I'll try and ask if we can start it for us. For how long have you had it for?
No, it wouldn't cost. I've had it for 5 years now.
So you've hidden the table so much, eh? You can even see it.
Huh?
The table.
The table?
So hidden.
No, it's just here.
What's up, guys? I don't think I've properly introduced or opened the video up. Welcome to the video, new subscribers. Make sure to subscribe and welcome. I want to welcome all the new subscribers to the channel, and I hope you keep enjoying the content. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And in this vlog I have Moyo with me. I don't know if you remember him, but I tried to scare him in one of the videos driving fast, and I accomplished that. So we're just going about, literally just walking, and when we were passing by we just saw another garage and we were like, let's just pop up. So this is another one. The last time I came here I saw some nice E30s, so I'm hoping they'll allow us just to catch some things, and then yeah. This is the car we just found, guys. Unfortunately the owner can't allow us to capture the outside because he wants it completely done, but this is an E30.
Yeah, that'll be great.
It's running the stock engine. It's running the stock engine. By that answer I feel like it's a no. That's loud. That's very loud. That is insane. I feel like it's running an E36 engine right now. It's nice. Are you running E36 engine?
No.
The same M20?
M50.
M50?
M52, eh?
Wow. I'm sure he's been it on some occasions.
You can remove the bonnet. Slide it there.
Wow.
That's what we are going to move. M52.
It's 2.8.
Yes. Okay. See the balance.
I don't even have words, honestly.
Yes, after 2 weeks. The bonnet, the bumper, that one.
I feel like this is the most...
Or we're going to take it somewhere.
No, just drive it.
Hiring.
Can you even hire this car, say?
At least we're there, man.
This is a legendary car.
No, the owner should be there.
I know, but I see him driving it a bit, especially coming from granddaddy somewhere there.
Don't want water to go in the
And what do you love most about this car?
power.
M-Power.
Same here.
You are building also the van.
So an Asian 321st.
This looks nice.
I think it was just bucket or something.
See that one? Truck. So tomorrow we start fixing the engine.
Land Cruiser engine is going into this car. This engine is going into that car.
Uncle Trevor's garage. So this is the engine of 6 watts. One exit.
Got some weights there.
And this is how many? Sorry?
It's a 4.2 liter.
Oh. And this one came with a V8.
Came with the V8, yes.
Wow.
So this is a custom made because it's a right hand.
So everything has to be changed, including the gearbox.
We have the gearbox already.
They're using the same gearbox for...
Land Cruiser.
And what kind of work goes into building something like this?
What do you mean?
What do you have to do to basically just convert everything?
You need a prop shaft, a welder, proper welder, because everything has to be original.
Because most of the times I feel like, maybe, I don't know, but the problem, since you're using the same original diff, and then this gearbox...
This is a different
Oh,
diff.
it's a different diff.
This is the original diff got damaged because of the power of the engine.
Okay.
So here we've alterated. This is a canter diff. So that's the reason why it's got 4 tires.
Wow.
This basically has 2 tires.
Yeah, that's why I'm surprised.
Wow.
So this was a modified thing. Diff, springs, everything. Then the pipe, the exhaust.
Ah, those look nice.
So you're going to maintain the red color?
Yeah. This color, I love red.
Yeah, I noticed.
So it has to be redone again.
Oh, this is your personal one?
Yes.
Okay. I see you love power.
So that's a 4.2 double charged.
the
That engine.
it's a turbocharged one.
Yes,
Wow.
the double charged. 1 HDT. Double.
So guys, as you see it right now, in about a month, he says it will be done, and we'll come and look after. We'll come look back at it, and I'm sure it will be done. You can see from all the projects that they have here that they're very serious in whatever they do, and you can already see from this BMW that we have here. Looks very nice. And what's been done to this one?
Engine overhaul.
Engine overhaul.
Yeah, this is by turbo, twin turbo.
Wow.
So those are upgraded con rods, upgraded pistons, upgraded rings. So these are just coming from abroad, Germany.
Wow.
So that's a stocked engine now.
People are mine.
Seems like everything here has a modified engine. I don't know what that engine is, and I won't lie to you, but he says it's modified. It's I don't know if it's a stock one and just something has been done, or it's a different one. I can also see this Range Rover right here. Doesn't have its original engine. I'm sure they're putting in something nice in there. And then they've got the project over there, of course, that you've seen. I'm sure there are some more projects over there, and there's that one that is getting overhauled, putting in new roads and everything. And of course, you also saw the E30, and I don't know what else is here. And I don't know if I properly explained, but this is the 1HZ. Should be, if I'm not mistaken. He says it's turboed, 4.2 liter, and it's going into this Ford, which has been modified. Basically, everything. He says the seats have been changed. The diff is from a Canter. I don't know which Canter. And there's a custom exhaust as well. Yeah, pretty much. I didn't expect this for the day. Except, what do you think?
It's mad crazy, man.
Yeah, they're doing some nice stuff.
Yes, it does, man. Yes, it does, man.
I was hoping to see a drift car, but guys, do you see what I see? These are Brembo's brakes. It's pretty much covered, man. This is a Mercedes bus with Brembo's brakes, man. Brembo. Sick. Are those coilovers? I can't even tell, but looks like it has some custom springs or something like that. I don't know if you guys can see that bits over there. My camera is a bit slow in zooming in, but yeah, I bet you can see now. I've been eyeing that Vis for a very long time now. I approached the owner telling him sell it to me, but I don't know. Just, I don't know how people are, like the car is not being used, but he doesn't want to sell it. And the plans that I'd have for it is that I already have a Vis engine at home, an extra one. And if that one has another one, maybe that's blown up or something like that, I can just easily build something cool off it, even though it would take time because the resources are just wild. And just a reminder for you guys, please order these hoodies, order a t-shirt, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. This day has gone out of proportion. I didn't expect such a day, even like, it was just like, I don't know what to happen, but yeah.